Right, we've just come back from beach, and we have this every single time with the dogs. So it's great watching them run about, and it's great watching them at sea, and we love watching them, and we wouldn't be without our dogs at all. But as you can imagine, 3 dogs in a motorhome, when they've been on the beach and been in the sea, even though we brush them down outside, the fur's still wet, it holds the sand. And then what happens is the dogs dry out, the sand drops out, and it's like a sand pit in our van. Now, we've only ever used a hand brush and a sweeping brush. We've never had a hoover as such, and Zoe's always gone on about I'd love to have a hoover. So we've been offered a hoover to do a review on, of which we said yes to because we could really use it, and it's a rechargeable hoover. So I'm just going to show you the state of our floor first. And here it is, the Itemise U12 Vessla vacuum cleaner, a rechargeable one that we can keep in the van.
It's cordless as well.
Cordless. So we're going to open this box and we're going to see what it's like, and we'll give it a go. Can you hear it? It sounds like popcorn, doesn't it? On, you know, on film. It's rain.
Yeah, I love it to listen to it.
It's been really stormy weather recently, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But anyway, on with this. So we're going to open the box. We have had a look at this, guys, so we do know what's in here. And we're going to show you what you actually get in this kit. So we get obviously the user manual.
And the guarantee.
Warranty registration.
2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Right, so we've got that. Right, what we got? So we have got, must be a wall mounting adaptation. I don't think we'll use it on Motorhome, will we? But if you've got one at home, I would imagine you can squeeze it on a wall. But would you put it on a Motorhome?
No.
Unsure. We'll probably keep it in a cupboard. But you do get this adapter, guys, to screw on your wall. That obviously you can hang your hoover on. So that's that. You get your utensils, so your brush,
dusting brush.
Yeah. You get this, which is your floor one, isn't it?
Yes. It's good for dog ears, apparently, that as well.
We'll try it out. You get the extension pole.
Telescopic pole.
Telescopic pole, look, guys, which obviously connects to that, which you would normally get with most hoovers, don't you? So you've got that, which will connect to that, which will connect to the hoover. Get that. Can't be without your nozzle.
No.
Nozzle.
My favourite tool.
Is it now? That will clip onto that, I would imagine, for your hoover to slide into.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you get spare filter.
A spare one, yeah, because there's already one in, and it is a washable filter, that one.
Yeah, it's a washable, so you do get a spare filter with it, which is good. So it's handy. And last but not least, ta-da! Shut that.
The hoover.
The hoover. Oh, you get screws and plugs
to
fasten your adapter to the wall.
Also, what you can't see is the battery, because I've already put the battery in, which is there. Oh.
Right, so the battery, does this battery slide out then?
Yes, it just easily slides out.
Well, we'll demonstrate that. Oh, there we go.
How easy
so
is
that's
that?
the battery that slots in. You just press that button there to slide it out. You also get your charging lead, which is a 3-pin plug charging lead. It's okay for us because we do have an inverter. I guess if you don't have an inverter in your motorhome, we have the power bank, which we've already done a review on this power bank. It's shown power bank just to prove that we still use what we're given. This is our power bank, and I've just charged it straight off of that antenna.
It's taken a couple of hours.
Yeah, a couple of hours to charge it up off power bank, but that's not a problem, is it, for us?
No.
So you would need either an inverter, a power bank. If not, you'd have to be a hook up and plug it in to charge it up.
You would,
on your 3-pin sockets in your motorhome. So either or those. So it's okay for us. We can charge it up, like I said. But if you don't have an inverter, then it's either a power bank or when you're on hook up. And here we are. So we'll set this up, guys, and we'll show you how it works, and we'll give it a go, shall we?
Yeah. it holds it's got quite a big container on it, hasn't it?
Yeah, 20, it's a catch on it, isn't it? Oh, there we go.
That's
Catch.
it.
So basically
very
that's
easy to
20.
use that.
So obviously you collect all the dust in there, and then you just unclip it and empty it. But it's very stylish, I've got to say, and it is quite light.
Lightweight,
it's not
which
heavy
is really
at all.
good. Yeah,
it's not heavy that at
how
all.
light it was.
Now, if you obviously you've got your different attachments. In Motorhome, we will more than likely use, would you say that one?
That one, yeah.
And all you do...
I think I'd use them all, John, to be honest.
Well, we'll demonstrate them all anyway.
Yeah.
But that one just clips in, that's it.
I think that one a bit main use for me.
And then to release it, just press button on top.
So easy.
So easy to clip on and off, and that'll be the same with all of them. So... and I'm just going to show you this because it's a bit like Starship Enterprise, this. So it's
got a dashboard on it.
It's got a dashboard. Look at this, guys. So do you want to zoom in with camera, Zoe? And I'm going to switch it on. So let's put this on. So you've got your power button, you've got your speed, and you've got a light.
A light as well.
So that's your power button. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at it light.
It's like a spaceship. So you can increase your speed. You look at the bar at the back. You can increase your speed. There we go. It doesn't go right up to 150. That's maximum because it goes red.
Power.
That's maximum power, and that's eco mode. It gives you your running time. So that at that end tells you how long it will run at that speed, which is 58 minutes, which is quite a long time on eco.
Yeah.
And obviously, if I increase the power, the time goes down. If you can see. Can you see that? Increase it again, 38 minutes, 25 minutes, 15 minutes. It's going down to 15 minutes at full power. It will go on for.
It's about, on average, about 45 minutes running time.
Yeah, so that controls your speed, that's your on button, and that's your light. Can you see it on backboard there, guys? I'll turn it off. Watch this. Look at that.
That's really handy for us, you know, for corners and things when it's a bit dark in Motorhome.
And then obviously you've got your battery power icon there. How long does it take to charge up? About 2 hours?
2 hours, yeah.
2 hours on my battery bank. So, yeah, so we're going to give this a go then, Zoe.
Yeah, let's try it out.
I'm right impressed with that though. That's right, posh that, isn't it? I love that. Let's turn it off. So we'll get this set up. It says Btu&x on the top.
Oh, on the back, John, look at that. It's like any problems, the sticker there, look. There's actually an app you can get. You can get an app for everything now,
you can now, can't you?
Online support there at the back in case it's any problems with it.
Yeah. So the recharging port, where's that, Zoe? Alright, so I'm going to guess, right, that you can take this out then.
Yeah.
Disregard that, and then your charger.
Yeah, you can do that if you want to.
So it's a jack plug, goes into the hole there, and you can just plug that in and recharge your battery.
Yeah, you can just do that if you wanted
plug,
to. You don't need to take it out though, you could just leave it in.
Well, you can leave it in, but that's where the port is for the jack plug. You could, I suppose, clip it in and still charge it. It don't really matter, does it? Okay, so there is a filter in top of this that is washable. So to take your filter out, there is a button underneath, little grey button there, I don't know if you can see that. So we press that and it comes off. Look at that, it's like magic. That away. And then at the top of there you've got your filter that you can just, it says up here, little tag on it, look, that you can just take out. Easy as that. And then to put it back in, get this back out again. See that tab, is what you want to call it, a tab at the top, locates in the top of it there. So it locates in the top like that.
Then it just clips in like that.
And that's it, job done. And then obviously, like I showing you, to empty it, you press that button there, you press that in, that opens, so you can empty everything out into a bag.
I probably feel that actually without messing around at minute.
Yeah, so there's no hoover bags in it or anything like that. It just collects dust in the bottom of there. All you do is just wash your filter every so often, I would guess. and we'll give it a go giving this sand up with my glamorous assistant, shall we, my love? So just to show you, well, Bruce is going to show you what you get with it.
Bless him. I can see him chewing them.
Oh yeah. So obviously you get your hoover, your main motor, you get your extendable pole, and then you get your various attachments, and then you get your hoover thing.
I can't wait to try that out.
And then obviously what clips to the wall, a spare filter, and let's get it set up then, Zoe, and we'll give it a go, see if we can get all this sand up, love.
They're not toys for you, Bruce. They're not your toys.
They're not toys for you, Brucey. No, they're not yours, love. Right, so what attachment are you going to use, darling?
I'm going to use my telescopic pole.
Your telescopic pole?
Yes.
Just insert it in there.
That just slots in there. Can you imagine clips
Whoa.
in like that? How easy is that? Then I'm going to put this in.
Bruce will show you how to do it. He says, I'll show you how to do it, Mum.
How easy was that?
I'll show you how to do this, Mum. Look at that. Look at the length of that.
I know. I'm just going to try it out on rug, I think, this.
Have we got a rug?
Yeah. Let's see.
Do we have a rug?
Yeah, come on, Janet. Show them stay to this rug.
I've shown them stay to rug, love.
I know. Well, let's come here. Come round here. Come on, camera crew. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Come on then. Hold on. Let's get down there. Whoa! It's got light.
Now that's some more power. Let's turn to the little leg.
I like light on it. What's green light for?
It's so you can see it better. It's to show how much. I can hear all that crackling, all that sand going out.
Yeah.
It's got very bit of suction, that. Look at that.
Yeah. That's actually quite bringing it up, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's,
Oh, that's very good. Let's see if we can see it all up.
I love green light on it.
Yeah.
That's right, fancy that, innit?
Yeah. Looks like something out of a spaceship.
Have you been in a spaceship, love? Recently?
Oh, look at that, it's all gone.
You've seen aliens, you may have been in a spaceship. I don't know.
Look, it's all gone that.
Keep going, love, you're doing a great job. There's loads to do, yeah. You keep going.
I know, but it's just a demonstration.
Oh, is that what it is? Carry on then. I've opened some blinds because it's a bit dark in here because it rained. It's absolutely chucking it down outside. It's a right river outside.
We're going to have to move,
Sure.
John, because there's a right puddle. It's like a swimming pool outside of here, outside of us.
Look at that. We ain't going out there. It's a right puddle. Look how deep it is.
I know. Go and get out with that when dog's going to go out.
We're going to have to move van.
We are.
We'll have to move it up there. So, carrying on with our demonstration. Now it's a bit brighter. You might be able to see the dogs aren't too happy about an hoover. Go on then. You can see all sand on floor. Demonstration. Look at that.
Oh, I like how that nozzle turns. It moves. Look at that. So you can get in all corners. Look at that.
Yeah, so you twist that and it turns.
Yeah, look.
Oh, I like that. It's like on a ball, isn't
Like
it? It's yeah.
This is a lot better than my dustpan and brush, John.
All I'm doing is filming your feet, love, here. And look at us, posh me and over. So just press button in and pull it out. You got to push button right in. Pull at the same time. Push and pull. That's it.
That's it. Which one? I think I'm going to need this one.
Your nozzle.
Yeah. That's what I can do.
There we are. Look at that.
Edges. Look at that. I love it how it likes to.
You could hoover dogs, you know, for dog hair.
Yeah.
Couldn't you? That's an idea. You could hoover Bruce for his dog hair. Couldn't you, Bruce? So, for doing edges.
Oh wow, look at that, it's right in the corners though.
And last but not least, the brush. And I guess any of these attachments you can put on end of that extendable pole. Can you?
Yeah, I should imagine you can, yeah. Yeah.
Have to try that. I don't know whether you can or whether you can't.
I can imagine if you got a house and you want to do, you know, your ceilings and stuff like that.
Yeah. Oh. You're enjoying this, aren't you, love?
Yeah. Oh, Oh, this is really good for corners. It gets all that sand out. Yeah, I like that brush type.
So the important bit, Zoe, how much and how much discount do you get?
Right, the proper price is £145.99.
£145.99.
But with our discount code, you actually get £24 off.
£24 off?
Yeah, that includes a £15 discount.
Right.
If you click on the link, and when you go onto Amazon, you can click a little box and it gives you an extra £9 off, so you get a £24 saving.
What box do you click on Amazon?
It is near the price of it.
So the link takes you to the Amazon site.
Yeah.
You put in the discount code, you get £15 off the price of it, and then you click a box.
Yeah, to get an extra £9.
To get an extra £9 off it.
And then it brings it up to £123.
Which I don't think's too bad, is it? £123 for a rechargeable hoover like that.
To say it's really good quality, it feels really good quality as well.
Yeah, it does. It is. It's quite a big, good bit of kit, that, to be honest. Quite impressed with that.
It's brilliant for us.
I like all lights on it. It's very modern.
I know.
It's quite cool.
You can see all dog hairs, it's sucked up and all the sand. It's brilliant for us.
So if you're interested in the hoover, guys, click on this link in the description. And like Zoe says, you will get a decent discount on the hoover. We're quite impressed with it. We will use it in our motorhome. As you can see, we need to with 3 dogs.
As you know, this is an honest opinion. We won't tell it we're rubbish.
No, I quite like it. It's quite lightweight. It's good quality. It does what it does. You know what I mean? It's got good suction power on it. It'll be great for us in his motorhome with the dogs, and obviously all the sand situation, and also dog hairs when it starts coming to season when they start shedding hair.
I think it'd be good for cleaning your car out as well. I should imagine.
I ain't got a car, Zoe.
No, I know, but I mean for anybody who wants a hoover for the car.
Yes.
And also as a spare hoover.
It's handy that it's portable, you know what I mean? It's rechargeable. Yeah. There's no wires to it, so that makes life a lot easier. You're not getting tangled up with anything, are you? And it's just quick and easy, isn't it? So Zoe's got a bit of work to do now, haven't you, love? Hoovering up with her new hoover. So I hope you like that review, guys. Please comment if you like it. And from us, it's a definite thumbs up from Bertie Bus.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah.